Dear student, today we will study about learn about two cities, two areas which have different look, geographical structure. First is Ladakh and next one is Kerala. So let us study both of them. First I will start with Ladakh. As you can see the Ladakh is land with awesome physical features and is set in an enormous spectacular environment. It is surrounded by the world's mightiest mountain ranges, the Karakoram in the north and Great Himalayas in the south. You have seen the movie of Three Idiots. In the last, the shooting was done in Ladakh. It is a very beautiful area. Oxygen is very limited over there. Very beautiful scenic place. Life is little bit hard over there. It is a mountainous area. Next is Kerala. Kerala is located in the southern west of the India. It is surrounded by the sea on one side and hill on the other. So the life in the Kerala is a little bit more easier than the Ladakh. It is having a continental type of climate, not too much hot, not too much cold. Flora and fauna are found in abundant. So it is very beautiful region. Though the places are totally different, one is mountainous and one is near the sea. But all are Indian people who are living there unitedly, and we never come across any type of fighting between them. We are living with peace and harmony. We all are India. It is unity in diversity. Now we will continue to the rest of the part. Unity in diversity. India is a land of different religions and communities. Different religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, Parsis, Jain, all are living together. There is a great diversity in our habitat and custom, and yet we all live together as Indian. Unity in diversity has been the distinctive feature of our country. It was well said by Rajendra Prasad also that India is a land of unity in diversity. Everyone on earth differs from each other with respect to aspect like look, behavior, culture, religion, language, talent, etc. This means that there is diversity among the people in these aspects. Diversity means lack of uniformity and sense of variety. Never think diversity means the different. Diversity means we are having lack of uniformity with the sense of variety. So now I think that it is very clear what does we mean by the unity in diversity. We are different we may be different in the area of religion, language, talent, behavior, etc. But we all are bonded into one, that is unity in diversity. We all are India. So this feeling should be always there by studying this lesson. Thank you.